Good morning. It's wear your Gore-Tex liner morning. Not because there's any rain forecast today, but because it did rain last night and our boots never dried out from coming off the ledge, so to speak. It's quite an eventful night in the end, wasn't it?
Yeah. Got raided 4 times.
Yeah. I don't know whether I've got that on camera. I mean, I'm pretty sure what I filmed was black, but because I could just about make out the shape of our nightly pizza raider. But the camera, I think, just so black, unfortunately. But so I don't know whether I mentioned it, but we did figure out very quickly. It was in fact a hedgehog that was trying to get to our pizza. So after the first attempt, I showed you that, didn't I? We managed to do that much damage. I put my pizza on top of my pack, hoping against all kind of logic that hedgehogs can't climb. They can. He came back, and he came back with a stepladder and tried to push the damn thing off. It was cute. I mean, it was absolutely cute, to be fair. But yeah, so we didn't get as much sleep as we had hoped because we kept hearing this. It was the sneezing that gave it away in the end. It sneezed at one point and it was like, that is a hedgehog. Yeah, if you've ever heard a hedgehog sneeze, that's just, yeah, it's a hedgehog. They sneeze a lot. I don't know why, but it was cute. But anyway, we're having breakfast of champions. The pizza he didn't get.
Yes.
And some leftover cider first thing in the morning. But we won't talk about that. Yeah. Onwards. We were going to get up nice and early today because this is a hard day. And it is now not even 8 o'clock and we haven't even started breakfast. So, yeah, it'll be one of those days again.
Into the woods. That reminds me of a film.
Yes. It featured 2 grumpy old people complaining about hiking, didn't it? Oh no, that was a walk in the woods. This is such a beautiful section. I know I say this every time, it never stops being a beautiful section. Marred only slightly by a couple of not so nice styles. But then, yeah.
That would be fine if we didn't have a big backpack.
Yeah. You all know our attitude to styles by now. They're a necessary evil, but evil.
We prefer gates.
Yeah, wherever possible we go through a gate. Early breakfast. Nice peaceful walking under the river Tees. It was a little bit crowded down by the waterfalls, unsurprisingly. It is August after all, it's the summer holidays. But once you're past high forces, hardly anybody about. It's coming up to break time. Brian's watch keeps giving us storm warnings, which is a little bit worrying. Doesn't look too bad, but there's quite a chilly wind going. See whether we can find some friendly rocks to sit down on. Let the scrambling commence. Here comes the sun. Unfortunately, that means I can't see where I'm going. Wow. I'm probably about halfway through this crumbly bit now. Beautiful.
Still pretty rocky. And he's up ahead. But yeah, it's scrambled across waves of rocks. This is fine. But it's tiring.
Welcome to the Cauldron Snout.
There's Heidi coming up. There's Heidi. I think it's just whacking through the heather at the moment.
Being buzzed by flies on the way up is fun. Good evening. It is 6:30. We're about to start a walk up to the military thingy flags where the turn off into the moors starts. We decided to not pick up any water at the cauldron spout. Not at the bottom because we didn't want to schlep it up. Not at the top because we thought, hey, we're going into the moors, there's at least 2 streams we're crossing. Well, this is one of them. Starting to think we might have miscalculated the readiness of water up here. Cute. Don't know whether they're young ones or what, but they have really sort of white stockings on basically. It's cute. Unlike this climb. Hallelujah. That's the end of an incredibly long slog of road walk. And now we get to slog through the moor instead.
Yeah.
7:15. We're cutting it fine. There's the sun making a rare appearance. It's still technically around. It feels really much later than it is because the clouds are over it. But there's the bridge over Maceback. The water doesn't look amazing, but it's there. Paboom. I see myself out. It's 8:15 and we have run out of horizon. Welcome to High Kupnik. Now all we have to do is find a flat spot. We are shattered. Absolutely shattered. So, before the light leaves us altogether.
Our reward.
Our reward for a tough day. Honestly, I don't know how people do the entire stretch from Middleton to Dufton. I mean, it's just... This is our 3rd time doing this. Sorry, eating jelly babies. And this is as far as we get every time. Okay, today it was mainly a daylight thing, but honestly, we're knackered. It's a tough day. over here. I would show you the view out of the tent, but I'm not sure there is one. Oh yeah. There we go. Sun is slowly setting over the high Kapnik. If the tent doesn't flap into the way. There we go. That's my finger here. Sorry. You can tell I'm tired. I'm starting to talk even more crap than usual. So, time to say good night, eh?
Good night. Good night from me, eh?
And good night from him, yeah.